least enough to apparently. You need to live up to the expectations, which are high, okay? Are you going to deliver? Are you going to keep this on during the entire thing? Well, you better not. We want to see. We paid for this cruise and we want to see you, okay? Ready? Oh, you have a, where is he? So we can undress him then. Okay, perfect. Sorry, she gave the thumbs up. You can take it off. I don't make the rules. DJ, hit it! Make some noise for contestant number 3! How about contestant number 4? And how about contestant number 5?